strategy after strategy, day after day, year after year. Traders all around the world overcomplicate every single thing, and you're probably one of them. You probably heard of this strategy, this other strategy that make you $1 million. But whenever you try it out yourself, you tend to just blow up accounts and lose money. Today, I'm going to be showing you the easiest strategy you can follow. This had personally made me thousands of dollars, and this is just something that I use every single day. It's so simple, so easy to use, so easy to follow, and all you have to do is just follow and be disciplined with yourself, and then you'll be chilling. So coming in right to the charts right here, okay, I am on NQ futures. Now, I'm going to be giving you the most simplest rules that you can follow. And if you follow these rules, I promise you, I'm not going to guarantee you, but I promise you, if you follow it, you are going to be so much better. You're going to be so much, you're going to make so much more progress than you are right now. Because I've been there where you jump from strategy to strategy, you do dumb shit all day long, and all you do is make money, lose money, make money, lose money. Now, coming in, I'm on NQ. The first thing you have to do is mark out from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Pacific time. I'm in California, so that is my time. If you're in New York, just put that 3 hours ahead. What is that, from 10 to 11? So the first thing I do, look at the time zone down here. I use TradingView. You're going to mark out 7 to all the way to 8 a.m. Okay, we're going to use the 1 hour gap window. Nothing more, nothing less. I'm just trying to build a system that's very, very easy to understand and easy to use. And this is simply what I do every single morning. Whenever it hits 7 a.m., right? This is right here. This is when I make my box and I take my first fair value gap of the day. Now, here's the thing. When it comes to the first fair value gap, you can look left. When you look left, there are other fair value gaps from like 653 or 649 you can see right here. You can use the previous fair value gaps as your first fair value gap. Now, whenever you see the fair value gap, you're going to wait until it enters it. And now I have a few criterias after it enters it, so you have a better idea. If I look to my left right here, I'm going to see three fair value gaps actually right over here. Okay. For now, I'm gonna let me just hide this. So you can see there are three fair value gaps. Now, what I want you to do is simply this, okay? Whenever it goes in the fair value gap, I want you to mark out the candle that went in the fair value gap. So for example, this one, it went into this fair value gap right here. Let me just remove this to be honest with you, so it's a little bit easier. All right, remove this and remove this. So this is the first fair value gap, right? So once you see this candle go in there, you're going to go ahead and mark out the low of this candle since we are going to be going short. Now, what you're going to be waiting for is a candle closure under this line right here because it's respecting this fair value gap. But this is what happens. This doesn't respect it. It actually disrespects it. You can see this candle right here closes this bearish fair value gap. Whenever it closes this, we call this a disrespect. And this is where you come in and delete this fair value gap because it is not valid no more. Now you can do the same thing with the next fair value gap. You can see, okay, this candle went in there and it respected it. Once it respected it, you mark out the low and you wait to see if it breaks the low and close. You can see again and again and again, it didn't. If anything, it closed this. Once it closed right here, this fair value gap became invalid. Close this, and then we have one more fair value gap. This one, you can see it respected it. Mind you, this wick doesn't really matter. It's only if it closes. So you can see how we respected it. And once it respects it, you're gonna go ahead and mark out the low, and then you're gonna wait to see if the next candle closes it or whenever it closes. And you can see right here, this candle closes. And once this candle closes it, you're going to take the short position. Now, I want you to put your stop literally above the fair value gap, okay? Do not put it lower, do not put it higher. My best results I've had is when I literally put it above the fair value gap. And this is what you do to get a better win rate. Don't try to be a hero and do extra shit. Aim for a 1-to-1 and that's it. Right here. 1-to-1. In my experience, when I try to do more than 1-to-1, when I try to be greedy, yes, sometimes it's gonna work, but sometimes it's gonna just flip around. and you could have got the 1-to-1, but you know, you ended up missing it. So you can see right here, 1-to-1 it hit. And now this is Wednesday. Now, if I just simply go back to yesterday, okay, yesterday was Tuesday. I'm gonna do the same thing. You can backtest this yourself. So I'm gonna come right here. As you can see, 7. Oh shit, it's the wrong one. If I do this right here, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. right here. I'm gonna mark out this highs and lows. Now this is where it started. So now I'm looking to my left first, right? There's a few fair value gaps. So I'm gonna mark out this one right here. And I'm gonna mark out this one right here. And I'm gonna mark out this one right over here. And you can see this fair value gap right here. It got disrespected. So we're gonna get rid of this. This one right here, it got disrespected. Because you can see right over here. Actually, this one been got disrespected. And you can see this one right here. It respects it, right? Mark out the low. What did it do? It came in here, respected it, broke down, closed under. What do? Go short, put the stop above there, aim for a 1-to-1, and it hits again. And to be honest with you, that's it. If you follow this strategy for the next month, follow it rule by rule, be disciplined, do not overtrade, undertrade, anything. I promise you, you're going to see so much more progress, because at the end of the day, this is no different than any other strategy. Strategies is just a bunch of rules you have to follow with an edge. And this is it. And that's it. You don't have to do anything else. You're going to pass challenges. You're going to start making money. You're going to become profitable. And you're going to realize how much more easier it was. If you guys want more videos like this, follow me, subscribe down below. Videos coming every week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.